Start XAMPP, and then we should check our server that it's working, and after that I am going to copy this and paste it in here, and this is going to be our login API, so /login. After that I'm type here auth. Okay, so now let's go to our controller. Okay, first of all copy our store function and paste in here. Okay, copy that and paste. To that type here, okay, here auth. Okay, this is going to be our auth user request. We are going to use auth user request in here, and we should remove some things. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's type here user equal user where email. We have to find the email here, and okay, should validate the email that it exists or not. Okay, so we are going to search and give here the first, so that we have only one email searched. Okay, after that type here if there is no user, then we are going to check our hash password if the user have the password, and after that we will respond to a message that if user doesn't have we don't have the email user, then the credentials are incorrect if the email or password is mismatched. Okay, else we are going to generate a token. Okay, so if there is a user, then we are going to generate token. So you have to write this in here. Let's remove our message and type user is equal to okay slash okay our user resource. Okay, we are going to make a user and access token should be generated. Actually we are going to get the user credentials like user email in the user variable, and the access token variable we are going to create a token in here. Okay, so after that we are going to create the user request and the auth request. Okay, let's go to our request and rename this auth user request. Okay, so after that we have to remove the name field from here. Okay, remove the name field, and we should remove the unique users from here. And yeah, this is good to go. Okay, now we have to come here and import that the auth user request. Auth user request, and see, we need to save and we need to create the resource now. Okay, run php artisan make resource. Okay, give the user resource name. Okay, copy that, paste in here, click enter, and you can see our resource is created. So inside resource we have to define some things. To the array variable, we are going to return the array with the user credentials. So let's return our user information in here. So we are going to return id, name, email. Okay, remove the created and updated that, we don't need that. So yeah, we are going to return these things as a JSON. So now let's move back. Okay, our auth request is done. I think everything is done. Okay, the controller. Okay, let's import our resource. Okay, user resource is importing done. Okay, let's save everything and run our server. Okay, let's test this. Okay, in the body variable we are going to remove the name, and we are going to type here login. Okay, type login, and okay, so make the request. Let's see. Okay, because it's already in use, so I think we made a mistake in our request. Okay, let's check our request. Okay, let's go into auth user request. Okay, user controller is fine. Let's go. Okay, let's go into the auth user request and type here auth user request. Save and send. Okay, now the hash. Okay, so import the hash in here. Click save and send it. Okay, there it is, our user name, email, and the access token. So our login API is working perfectly. So now we should create another route, that is our logout route. Create logout. Okay, so let's go type here logout. It's going to be a function name. Put that in the user request. Okay, copy this function and simply just paste in here. Type here logout. Okay, so now should remove this, don't need this. Okay, if the request, okay, let's remove this also. Type if the request got to user. Okay, user has a token. We're going to pass the token. So if the user got the token, then okay, let's type token, and we are going to delete this and simply return the response as logout successfully. So yeah, this is it. So let's run this. Okay, let's type here logout. Out and send that. Okay, current access token on null. Okay, we have to give the token. Okay, go send the login again and copy that token and go. Okay, can we pass this in as this one in here? Let's see this works or not. Logout, send. I think it will not work, so I have to pass this as a bearer token. This is how this can be work. Let's pass that. Okay, not that, we have to remove the access token variable. Okay, remove everything, only we should give the token in here. Let's click send. Okay, it's not still not working. Okay, let's see. Okay, the WT bearer, no. Auth, no, we should pass this as a bearer token. I think I made a mistake. I have to check this. Let's see. Let's remove that. Send. Okay. Okay, what is going on? Okay, we have to pass this middleware Auth Sanctum, or this will not work, the bearer, because we have a hash API token that comes from the Sanctum. So I hope this is going to be work now. Okay, unauthenticated body. Okay, pass the login, click send, and there is a token, copy that Okay, go to authorization, paste in here, and now type here logout, click send, and yes, we got the message that logout successfully. So yeah, this is how you can create your login logout API. So I will see in the next video, I think. So our login and yes, bye bye.